Hi everyone, it's Hayley here from HappyFabric. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this lovely drinks dispenser design using our HappyVinyl Self-Adhesive. Now this vinyl you can use on a variety of different surfaces including ceramic, wood and glass and so much more. So let's get making and I'll show you all the steps you need to making your very own. Thank you all for watching, and you can shop our HappyVinyl Self-Adhesive online at happyfabric.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video if you want to see more crafty vinyl videos. See you soon!